almost ready. Sis, wake up! I have to do this the hard way. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up! Huh? What happened? Is breakfast ready? You know what this is? Mom and Dad have gone to work, so I left to look after you. Just hurry up. Yeah, whatever. What's for breakfast? Could you just at least go get me my breakfast? Yeah, give me a minute. Okay, I'm back with your breakfast. This isn't breakfast, this is seafood. What did you have for breakfast? Pancakes? You sound so happy. I'm not hungry. Don't forget to get ready for school. Alright, oh, perfume, right. I can't put my nail polish on today, I'm a bit late. Come on, you stupid perfume. Oh, hey. Right, perfume. Okay. What time is it? Oh god, I'm late. I better put my ball on the way to school. Sis, I'm ready!